India and Pakistan are once again on the edge of conflict. After the brutal terror attack in Pahalgam that killed 26 civilians, India has launched military strikes, not just in Pakistan but in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And now there's one more player in the room that everyone is watching: China. You see, history tells us that when India and Pakistan go to war, China does not stay silent. In fact, it often moves in ways that help Pakistan directly or indirectly. Let's rewind 60 years. In 1965, when India and Pakistan were locked in a full-scale war, China threatened India not once, but multiple times. On September 16, 1965, right in the middle of the war, China issued a warning to India, and I quote, "Remove your military from the Sikkim border in 3 days or face serious consequences." This was because China accused India of building military posts near the Nathula Pass in Sikkim, a region bordering China. And how did China respond? China said India had built 11 structures on the Chinese side, 7 on the border, and by January 1965, it claimed there were over 50 Indian military posts in that region. But India denied all of this. Indian officials said China was making false claims just to keep pressure on India while it was fighting Pakistan. A secret CIA note at the time warned that China could use the Chambi Valley to attack India and maybe even reach East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh, which could trap Indian forces in the east. India's top general in the east then, Sam Manekshaw, confirmed that China's threats did not stop India in the west, but they forced India to keep thousands of troops in the east, just in case China attacked. Now, even after the war ended, China did not stop. In November 1965, it crossed into Sikkim again, killing an Indian soldier. India told the US that China was clearly trying to help Pakistan by opening a second front. Now fast forward to 2020, just a year after India's airstrikes in Balakot post the Pulwama attack. China once again clashed with Indian troops, and this time in Ladakh. Which brings us back to today. After the Pahalgam attack and India's strikes, will China step in again? Strategic experts believe that China might try to pressure India along the LAC, not by declaring war, but by creating tensions that force India to split its military focus. History tells us that when India fights Pakistan, China watches and often acts from the shadows. Whether it's 1965, 2020 or now, the big question remains, will China try to help Pakistan again? And is India ready on both fronts? That's all for today. For more such explainers, stay tuned to the Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.